Consuming salmon will make your erections firmer, healthier, and more powerful. An Austrian study found that vitamin D, present in salmon, is essential for full sexual performance as it increases testosterone levels. In addition, the omega-3 fatty acids in oily fish improve blood flow in the body. Not only does it reduce the risk of experiencing an episode of erectile dysfunction, but it also helps to increase testosterone levels. On the other hand, we have coffee. If you get your fair dose of caffeine every morning, you are likely to have a better chance of maintaining a good erection. This was confirmed by a study conducted on over 3,700 men by the Center for Health Sciences at the University of Texas. Those who drank between 2 and 3 cups a day, between 170 and 375 milligrams, were less likely to suffer from erectile dysfunction than those who did not. Why is this? Caffeine triggers a series of effects in your body that help the arteries of the penis to relax and increase blood flow, producing a similar effect to drugs that reduce this condition, such as Viagra. Consuming salmon with your hot coffee makes you ready for a very long and restless night of passion.